Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to answer Brim, skirt, or a raft in Bambu Studio. Which one should you choose? So you can spot all of these options inside the global settings. And basically we have something like raft, we have our Brim right here, and basically we have more that we can go ahead and toggle. So the first thing that I want to talk about is going to be skirts. Now, what this does is that it prints lines around the model without ever touching it. Basically, it's just used for prime the nozzle, check the bed leveling, and it's basically used for normal prints with good adhesion. Now, let's talk about Brim itself. So for Brim, I believe you can spot it inside the others option. And in here, we then have the Brim right here. You have your Brim type, Brim width, Brim gap, and many, many more. Now, basically for this one, it adds extra lines attached to the model base. It's just there to improve bed adhesion, and it's really, really easy to remove. Now, this is best for thin or tall prints. We have the warping problems, and basically it's best for most everyday prints. And the last thing that I want to talk about is going to be Raft, which is going to be inside support. And if you toggle the Raft layers, we will be able to add our Raft right here. Now, for this one, it prints a thick base under the model itself, as you can see right here. And now, it basically has the strongest adhesion, and it uses more filament and leaves rough bottom surfaces. Now, this is used only for severe warping, difficult materials, and lastly, bad bed adhesion. And to finalize the video, which one should you choose? Now, for normal prints, you just want to use skirts. For most problem solving, I believe Brim is going to be your best option. And for extreme adhesion issues, it's going to be Raft. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.